a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 83 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms. Low 66. Chance of rain 80%. Monday, thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. High 74. Monday night, thunderstorms early. Low 58. Chance of rain 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
The power of the Weather Channel, now available.
Numbers will go up, and we'll show you that in just a second. In the meantime, I want you guys to know that we've been looking at some big hail out of these storms. This